Hello everyone. In this video we are going to cover this Vitiligo white patch, and it's going to be the patch test. So I'm going to do the skin color cover up on top of the fist, not on the fingers. So the process has been started. Actually it's a spectral vitiligo spreading. So I started smoothing the process. His person's skin tone is observing a lot more darker tone, so I wanted to do the little darker tone so that once it's got healed it can achieve the exact skin tone. Starting itself, if I achieve the exact skin tone, then there is a lot of chances once got healed it will look very lighter. So I should need to match with the little darker tone so that once got healed it will look beautiful. So the process has been started now and it's going on with a great progress. Many of them asking us, will this treatment, how long will it work? It's a permanent treatment. It's not like temporary one. It's a permanent treatment. All you need to do is, starting you need to do the patch test. Once the patch test got succeeded, then you can go ahead and get it done remaining places of your body. Once you find the results was great, it will be stays for your lifelong. In future, if you think like it's got looks dull or faded, then you can get the retouch up done. Apart from that, you don't need to worry at all. The basic thing for this treatment to get it done is the spreading should have been stopped for quite a long time. If the spreading is not yet stopped, then there is a lot of chances you may get the infection back again. But that infection does not happen because of this treatment. If your melanin got accepted perfectly, no need to worry at all. It's best to be go ahead. Sometimes clients used to get a doubt like, how can I manage this, how to maintain this. It's a least maintenance, as I said to you earlier, almost no maintenance. Starting 2 weeks to 3 weeks of the duration you need to follow, and you need to apply the creams and all. Apart from that, in this treatment you don't need to take any tablets, medicine, surgery, nothing. It's completely safe to go ahead. If you guys have any more doubt, please do contact us. Our team will happy to help you out. Our contact number is on the display. Feel free to contact at any time. And the process almost done. The fist part is completely looks matched and it's perfect. I'll meet you guys in the next video.